Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects our overall health, the health of our kidneys. Our kidneys are vital in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, maintaining a balance of electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Ensuring the well-being of our kidneys is essential for our overall health and longevity. Let's start with today's important topic, kidney health. Our kidneys are crucial organs for our overall well-being, but did you know that certain drinks can harm your kidney health? Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 drinks you should avoid for healthy kidneys. Now let's discuss the significance of maintaining good kidney health. Your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes and regulating blood pressure. Poor kidney function can lead to many health issues, so caring for these hard-working organs is essential. What we consume can significantly impact kidney health. This video will discuss 7 drinks you should avoid to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. From sugary beverages to certain types of alcohol, these drinks can put a strain on your kidneys and potentially lead to long-term damage if consumed in excess. Now, why is this topic relevant to you? Well, the truth is that kidney disease is more common than you might think, affecting millions of people worldwide. By being mindful of what we drink and making healthier choices, we can reduce the risk of developing kidney issues and improve our overall well-being. So, whether you want to prevent kidney problems, support your kidney function, or lead a healthier lifestyle, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore the impact of these drinks on your kidneys and provide you with valuable insights on making better choices for your kidney health. Let's take a proactive step towards caring for our kidneys and prioritizing our well-being. Moving on to the problem at hand, several commonly consumed drinks can harm kidney health. These beverages may contain high sugar levels, artificial sweeteners, caffeine, or other substances that can stress your kidneys and impair their function over time. It's crucial to be mindful of what you put into your body to support optimal kidney health. Let's explore each of the 7 drinks in detail to understand how they can harm your kidneys. From sugary sodas and energy drinks that can contribute to kidney stones, to high-sodium sports drinks that can elevate blood pressure and strain your kidneys, each of these beverages poses a risk to your renal health. By being aware of these potential dangers, you can make informed choices to protect your kidneys. Sugary beverages. Let's discuss one of the biggest culprits when it comes to kidney health, sugary beverages. Excessive sugar intake can wreak havoc on our kidneys and contribute to the development of kidney damage over time. When we consume high amounts of sugar, our kidneys must work harder to filter the excess sugar from our blood. This increased workload can strain the kidneys, and if sustained, may lead to kidney dysfunction and even kidney disease. Popular sugary drinks to avoid include soda, energy drinks, sweetened iced teas, and fruit-flavored drinks. These beverages often contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and other additives that can harm kidney health. The high sugar content in these drinks not only contributes to weight gain and obesity, but also increases the risk of developing conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure, which are known risk factors for kidney disease. So what healthier alternatives to sugary beverages can help protect our kidneys? Opt for water as your go-to drink to stay hydrated and support kidney function. Herbal teas, infused water with fresh fruits or herbs, and unsweetened beverages like sparkling water can also be great choices to quench your thirst, without the added sugars. By making simple swaps and reducing your intake of sugary beverages, you can take a proactive step towards safeguarding your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Alcohol. Let's delve into the topic of alcohol consumption and its detrimental effects on kidney function. Alcohol can hurt our kidneys in several ways, one of which is through dehydration. When we consume alcohol, it acts as a diuretic, causing increased urine production and leading to dehydration. Dehydration can strain the kidneys as they work harder to maintain the body's fluid balance, potentially impairing their ability to function optimally. Certain alcoholic drinks such as beer, wine, and spirits mixed with sugary mixers can be particularly concerning for kidney health. Beer, for example, is high in purines, which can contribute to the formation of uric acid crystals in the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, sugary cocktails and mixed drinks can be loaded with added sugars and calories, putting extra stress on the kidneys and potentially leading to metabolic issues over time. To safeguard your kidney health, it's important to practice moderation, or even consider abstaining from alcohol consumption. Limiting your intake of alcoholic beverages and opting for lower alcohol options or non-alcoholic alternatives can help reduce the burden on your kidneys and promote overall kidney function. Remember, moderation is essential when it comes to alcohol consumption and being mindful of your choices can have a positive impact on your kidney health in the long run. Prioritize your well-being by making informed decisions about your alcohol consumption and supporting your kidneys to function at their best. Sodas and carbonated drinks. Regarding kidney health, sodas and carbonated drinks can pose significant risks that are important to be aware of. One of the critical concerns with these beverages is their high phosphorus content, which can adversely affect kidney function. Phosphorus is a mineral naturally found in many foods, but sodas often contain added phosphoric acid to enhance their flavor and extend their shelf life. Excessive phosphorus intake can disrupt the delicate balance of minerals in the body and put a strain on the kidneys, potentially leading to complications for those with kidney disease. Specific soda brands or types to avoid include popular cola drinks, lemon lime sodas, and other carbonated beverages high in phosphorus and artificial additives. These drinks not only contribute to the phosphorus load in the body, but also contain high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners, which can further impact kidney health and overall well-being. Plenty of alternative hydrating options are available for those looking to reduce their intake of sodas and carbonated drinks to support their kidney health. Opt for plain water, herbal teas, or infused water with fresh fruits and herbs to stay hydrated without the added phosphorus and sugars in sodas. Coconut water, unsweetened sparkling water, and homemade fruit-infused drinks can also be refreshing choices that are kinder to your kidneys. By making conscious choices to limit your consumption of sodas and explore healthier alternatives, you can take proactive steps toward protecting your kidney health and promoting overall wellness. Energy drinks. Let's spotlight the dangers of energy drinks and their potential impact on kidney function. Energy drinks are known for their high caffeine and sugar content, which can adversely affect our kidneys over time. Caffeine is a stimulant that can increase blood pressure and heart rate, putting additional stress on the kidneys as they work to filter out the caffeine and its byproducts from the bloodstream. Excessive consumption of caffeine from energy drinks can lead to dehydration and may contribute to kidney damage in the long run. Popular energy drink brands that can harm kidney health include Red Bull, Monster, and Rockstar. These beverages are often loaded with caffeine, sugar, and artificial additives that can tax the kidneys and potentially lead to kidney issues if consumed in excess. The combination of high caffeine levels and added sugars in energy drinks can also disrupt the body's natural balance and increase the risk of developing conditions like hypertension and kidney disease. There are plenty of alternatives to energy drinks for those seeking a natural and kidney-friendly way to boost their energy levels. Opt for green tea, matcha, or herbal teas for a gentle energy boost without the excessive caffeine and sugar in energy drinks. Fresh fruit smoothies, coconut water, and homemade energy-boosting snacks made with nuts and seeds can also provide sustained energy without compromising kidney health. Artificially sweetened drinks. Artificially sweetened drinks may seem like a healthier alternative to sugary beverages, but they come with potential risks for kidney health. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are commonly used in diet sodas, flavored water, and other beverages as sugar substitutes. While these sweeteners provide a low-calorie option, they can adversely affect kidney function. Artificial sweeteners can affect kidney function negatively by increasing the workload on the kidneys as they process and eliminate these synthetic compounds from the body. Some studies have suggested that long-term consumption of artificial sweeteners may be associated with a higher risk of kidney issues, including reduced kidney function and an increased risk of kidney stones. Common artificially sweetened beverages to avoid include diet sodas, sugar-free sports drinks, and flavored water with artificial sweeteners. These drinks may be marketed as healthier options, but their impact on kidney health should be noticed. Opting for natural sweetening options for beverages can be a safer choice for supporting kidney function and overall well-being. Promote natural sweetening options such as stevia, monk fruit extract, or raw honey as alternatives to artificial sweeteners in beverages. These natural sweeteners can provide a touch of sweetness without the potential adverse effects on kidney health associated with artificial sweeteners. We've highlighted the dangers of sugary beverages, alcohol, sodas, energy drinks, artificially sweetened drinks, and carbonated beverages on kidney function. Excessive sugar intake, high phosphorus content, caffeine overload, and artificial additives in these drinks can all contribute to kidney damage and compromise overall kidney health. It's crucial to make kidney-friendly beverage choices by opting for hydrating options like water, herbal teas, and natural fruit-infused drinks. I encourage you to take charge of your kidney health by being mindful of what you drink and making informed choices that benefit your overall well-being. Small changes in your beverage habits can significantly protect your kidneys and promote a healthier lifestyle. Remember, Your kidneys play a vital role in your body's filtration system. Taking care of them is essential for your long-term health. Please prioritize your kidney health and share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness about drinks' impact on kidney function. Together we can spread knowledge, encourage healthier choices, and empower others to take proactive steps toward caring for their kidneys. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better kidney health. Stay hydrated, stay informed, and take care of your kidneys.